Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have discussed about some group of protista that divides according to the nutrition, which are photosynthetic, which are saprophytic, and parasitic mode. Now we will discuss about the last group of the protista, that is protozoans. Means protozoans are animal like protista which are animal like. We are saying them animal like because they are showing the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic or parasitic mode of nutrition, so we are saying them a animal like protista. The first thing, the general characters of the protozoans. Some are free living in fresh water. They living in fresh water. They having flagella for locomotion. They have sometimes uninucleate condition and multinucleate, means more than one nucleus and a single nucleus in their cellular structure. So they are uninucleate and multinucleate. They show sexual reproduction of both mode, asexual and sexual method. As we are saying it's animal like, so the nutrition is heterotrophic. In heterotrophic, some are holozoic, some are parasites. So these are the general characters of the protista. By these of all characters, specifically the heterotrophic mode, animal-like behavior, it's showing that it is supposed that they are the closely related to the animals. Means we can say that the animals and the protozoan protista are closely related to each other. So next, according to the presence of flagella, they are classified into 4 groups. Means basically on the locomotion, organs, they are classified into 4 classes. The first, if the presence of flagella is there, means flagella present, they are flagellated. Protozoans. If the cilia are present, they are ciliated. If the pseudopodia is present, they are sarcodina. And the last one, no pseudopodia, no cilia and no flagella is present. So if all these are absent, they are classified into sporozoa. So according to the locomotive organ which present in that, they are classified into 4 groups. कि जो प्रोटोजोन प्रोटिस्टा है उसको 4 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया गया अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकोमोटिव ऑर्गन. If the flagella are present, it's flagellated protozoans. If the cilia present, they are ciliated pseudopodia present, they are Sarcodina, and if the all are absent, they are Sporozoa. So next we will discuss about the first, the Sarcodina. Sarcodina protist or protista. As we know, the first character of the Sarcodina is that present of the locomotive organ pseudopodia. So basically in Sarcodina, the amoeboid type body structure is included. In the Sarcodina, the organisms which are included are amoeboid. So the general characters of the Sarcodina is that first character is that they are free living. Parasitic mode. Next, they are found in fresh water. Some are marine and muddy area. Means the first character have free living. The lifestyle of free living है. They do not attach to any other object or another organism. They found in fresh water as it is marine and muddy area. Next, the number of nuclei. They are uninucleate, means having single nuclei, or also multinucleate, more than one. So example of the uninucleate is amoeba, and the example of multinucleate Sarcodina is Pilomyxa. Now we will discuss about the next character, locomotive organ. As its name, it's Sarcodina, so it having pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are the finger-like projections that appear due to the change into the outer membrane, that is plasma membrane. So basically plasma membrane are modified into pseudopodia, that is false fit. They have dual function. First, capture the food for locomotion. Next character, the reproduction is asexual or sexual. The asexual reproduction is by binary fission. Means body divided into two halves. In sexual reproduction, it is syngamy, fusion of the gametes into, example is that Pilomyxa, and the binary fission is occurs inside the amoeba. So this is the general characteristics of the Sarcodina. In this group we will discuss only one example, that is amoeba. We take one example of amoeba to study the Sarcodina protist. So the example is amoeba. We know the general characters of amoeba. The shape is irregular, मीन्स कोई स्पेसिफिक शेप नहीं होती. Next character of the amoeba is it is uninucleate, means it have a single nucleus, found in fresh water, फ्री लिविंग, कि फ्रीली वाटर के अंदर सर्वाइव करता है. नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज दैट रिप्रोडक्शन बाय asexual method. In amoeba, the asexual reproduction method show the binary fission, means body divide into two half. So these are the general characters of the amoeba. Now we will discuss about the structure of the amoeba. We are saying that shape is irregular, no specific shape. So no specific shape. The finger-like projections that is due to develop or arise by the foldable of outer membrane, that is plasma membrane, we are saying that they are pseudopodia. The outer membrane is plasma membrane because it is a single cell wall is absent in this group. Next, it having a prominent nucleus. Now we know that the inside the plasma membrane a cytoplasm is present, but in the amoeba the cytoplasm also divided into two types: the dense near the plasma membrane towards the periphery is very thick or dense type cytoplasm, which called gel cytoplasm. It is called gel. And the inner cytoplasm, that is not dense like the peripheral cytoplasm, is known as soul. Both are interchangeable, means according to the requirement the gel convert into soul and the soul convert into gel. This type of cytoplasm is need or the modification during the movement and the formation of pseudopodia. It provides strength to the plasma membrane. Next, it having a contractile vacuole, which help into the osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means it remain their cytoplasm according to the external environment. Here we discuss about next step, reproduction in detail. We are saying that asexual method is binary fission, body divided into two halves. So the amoeba divide into to half. So this is the general mode of division. Parent to daughter nuclei बिफोर डिवीजन कि डिवीजन से पहले इसमें न्यूक्लियस जो अमाउंट है वो डबल हो जाती है, साइटोप्लाज्म भी डबल हो जाता है, और आफ्टर दैट इट डिवाइड इनटू टू न्यू डॉटर सेल. There is a basic concept of binary fission. In next thing, this is only during favorable condition. When we go the study of the unfavorable conditions, which faces by the amoeba undergo incest formation. It go incestment means a outer covering amoeba shape is covered by a covering that is called cyst, and the cytoplasm becomes there. It is the arrested stage. When the conditions become favorable, the membrane of the outer covering is dissolved and it undergoes normal binary fission. So this is all about the Sarcodina group of protozoan protista.